How to remove the background from an image in PowerPoint. First off, open up your PowerPoint presentation. Select the picture you want to remove the background from. Make sure your picture is selected. You might need to double-click the picture to expand and open up the Picture Format tab. You'll see an option named Remove Background. Click on it. This feature will automatically separate your image into two: the foreground, which retains its original color, and the background, colored in magenta, marking it for removal. Now, this is an automatic process and might not always be perfect. If you see parts of the picture that you want to keep, but they are marked with magenta, no worries. Just head over to Background Removal in the Picture Tools. Here, you'll find Mark Areas to Keep option. Use the freeform drawing pencil to mark the areas on the picture that you want to keep. Similarly, if there are more parts of the picture you'd like to remove, select Mark Areas to Remove and use the same pencil tool to mark those areas. In the final step, when you are pleased with the results, go ahead and select Keep Changes. If you have changed your mind and want to start over, just hit Discard All Changes. Now, if you want to save this edited image for future use, simply right-click on it and select Save as Picture. And voila! The image is stored on your computer, free from any distracting backgrounds.